Hello everyone, my name is Arafa, 4 years old. I study at Navy Nursery and Primary School. Today I'm going to show the commoners of your computer. Let's see one by one.
Very good. Next.
This is a blender. This is a speaker.
Very good.
This is a keyboard. This is a mouse. This is a bendial. This is a mouse.
Webcam.
Webcam. This is a CD. This is a mouse.
Monitor.
Monitor. This is a CPU. Thank you.